Hey, what's good YouTube, and welcome back to another Diecast Car World video and yet another unboxing. This one's another exciting one because we have a Bugatti Chiron Sport.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never.
We've been having a lot of unboxing videos lately, which is amazing for me and hopefully for you guys as well. Today we have a special car. We have a very special car because it is a Bugatti. In real life, of course, one of the most expensive cars in the world. One of the fastest cars in the world. Many people's dream cars, and all of that. Yeah. And to get straight to the point here, this one's made by Bugatti, a very good diecast car brand of late, because obviously they've been making some fantastic Chiron models. I have the original Chiron model as well in blue, but this one is obviously the Sport with a special red color, and I'm pretty sure it's like there's also a number on the front. I forgot the number. I'll show you guys in a bit, but it's definitely a special edition Italian design. Okay, cool. I'm not sure if that's referencing the Bugatti as an Italian design, or if this Bburago model is made in Italy or something. Probably not. But honestly, guys, this is one of the coolest specs on this Bugatti because it's pretty unique and it has matching accents everywhere with red and black two-tone, and it looks fantastic in real life. Like, okay, so my biggest concern for this model was that online on these websites and stuff, the red on this color or on this car looked very vibrant. Like, it looked kind of bad in the pictures because the red just looked like cheap paint, like red, you know. But in real life, it's actually a much better color. It's saturated, it's darker, and it looks really nice. Like, even in this like a little sunlight here, it's gorgeous actually. It's growing on me. It's one of my it's a really cool color to look at. Yeah, because I was worried that the red might be a little bit childish or a little bit cheap from the online pictures, but in real life, guys, I'll tell you this right now, it's a very cool and nice color. So getting to the price and things like that, you can pick one of these up for less than $45, probably around the $30 range if you find it online. Now, obviously, Maisto and Bburago models have this special time of the years at Costco. You can get them for very cheap, very dirt cheap, at $12.99, I believe. So that is the best time to get these models. But if you can still find one for around $30. And yeah, as you can see, it's labeled as Maisto or Bburago, depends on the box. But this is a cool box, a little Bugatti logo on the back here. It's in the blue. I would say this is really pretty nice box here. So let's get right into the unboxing. Let's stop talking for a bit, and hope you guys enjoy. And here it is, everyone, outside of the box officially. And would you look at that? It looks great. Nice little box accent as well, little detail, Bugatti. Of course, you gotta say that it's a Bugatti proudly. And here's the model name, Bugatti Chiron Sport. Now, the number that I was talking about is number 16. This is like the special 16 edition or something like that. So it has this little paint accent on the grille, which looks really cool. And I would love to put this right next to my original Chiron in my collection. And yes, I'm obviously very satisfied with this. Amazing purchase, I think. It looks great. The blue, not the blue, the black and red two-tone looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks luxurious. It looks sporty as heck. Let's not use bad language here. And yeah, has some carbon accents I see as well. First impression looks great. And a little bit of dust got in here, which is because I opened the box already a few days ago just to check it out and everything. I opened the box for a bit and put it back in, and you got some dust here. It's fine. I can wipe that off easily. Now, the moving parts and opening parts, there's actually quite a few. The doors, looks like the front opens as well, and the engine bay, I'm not exactly sure how this might open, but it might. I'll just check that out in a bit. But another really cool thing about this one is that you can open or lift the rear spoiler. I love this feature, guys. I really do. And this black spoiler looks great as well. It is a bit cheap. It feels cheap, I mean. But when you're looking at it, it shouldn't look cheap at all because it's black plastic and it matches the car really well. Now, yes, it's great that it opens up. It goes up. You can kind of adjust it a little bit. You know, you put it down. Obviously, just flat down as well. Looks good. Looks great. Let's go ahead and finish by opening this up, cutting these things up, and I'll show you guys around a little bit more. And here it is, guys, outside the box. And wow, I have to admit, this looks gorgeous. You know, like red and black is the way to go here. As you guys can see, some minor stuff here. Headlights look good. The black wheels and the red calipers with red accented emblem or the logo. I mean, it's beautiful, man. Like that is a great detail to have. So yes, on this car, there's some minor details that look great, like especially like this interior stuff as well. I think they've done a great job here, and towards the back as well. Blacked out, looks amazing. Chiron logo in red, gorgeous. Black sport intakes. Yeah, this is a piece of art, honestly. Other than that, I mean, there's not much else to reveal. I'll of course go full depth review in a future review video. Go in depth in that one. But honestly, stunning car. I'll definitely get this model if you guys are in the market for one of these Chirons. The original one looks really cool as well with chrome wheels and everything, but this one has black wheels and some cool accents that could, you know, look better than the original one. But yeah, I think this will look great alongside the original one as well, because two Chirons next to each other, man, that's why I bought this car. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll get some final shots inside this parking garage. Now, yes, I haven't really talked about the parking garage yet, but that'll be an upcoming video on the parking garage and a review and everything. But yeah, today for now, let's get some shots in here. It also lights up, and yeah, I think it's a cool addition to my collection to have one of these garages. It will be really nice for photo shoots and stuff. Alright guys, so here it is, looking so fly in the parking garage. Kind of move it a bit, you know, show it in different lighting. And yes, it is a gorgeous model. And also what I love about this car, obviously the 16 logo really popping out here, is that it is exactly the same spec as the launch edition of this exact car from Bugatti. So it's very realistic. Like, they didn't put any artificial colors or different colors on this car. It is the exact same color, the same spec on the actual Bugatti Chiron Sport. And the Sport is obviously the sportier, redefined version with, you know, slightly different looks and enhanced steering and all those cool things, in addition to the Bugatti Chiron. So this was released, I believe, 2 years after the original one was made. Now, as we look at the rear side of things, this car, you can tell it's very special. And you see the quad tailpipes right here. This is the difference from the normal Chiron. It has sport exhaust, and it's supposed to sound much more sportier and louder, of course. And you guys might be wondering, what does the 16 represent on the front of this car? Because it's quite a big number, and it's quite a big, you know, logo to put it on, to stick it on the front of the grill here. But from what I've heard, it represents the W16 engine. Of course, this thing has a big engine, W16, everyone's dream engine, except for fuel economy, obviously. That might not be the very best at that. But also, the 16 represents that this car, the sport version, reduced at least 16 kilograms from its bodywork and its wheels, I think. New rims on these things. Yeah, and I think that's what it represents. Although on some other websites I've heard that it reduced 18 kilograms. So I don't know. But I think that's what 16 represents. Is pretty cool number, very special for the Bugatti. I'm sure if I do more research, I can find out what that number really means. But sorry, I can't speak today. But anyways, guys, I think that's pretty much it for this quick unboxing video. Please subscribe for more content. I have so much more coming up, more unboxing. I will also review this parking lot. It's a bit broken inside, as you guys can see, with the little silver thing coming off. But you know, I'll do a review on that one as well. I'll review some more cars. I'll review this car if you guys want. Whatever you guys want, please leave a comment down below and subscribe for more content. Leave a like if you have enjoyed, and have a wonderful day, everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and peace out.